Salutations, my name is Miranda Robinson. I'm a general education algebra teacher for special education students. I have a proposal to increase our special education students' academic performance in their algebra class. An issue is that special education students often face distinct hurdles in algebra classrooms. Several rely on assistive technology. They struggle with processing verbal and visual information and require differentiated instruction. Current practices do not always meet these needs. A digital notebook platform, customized with accessibility tools and interactive content, can serve as a disruptive innovation by replacing outdated methods with a dynamic, personalized learning system. I propose to address the limited access special education students have to assistive technology in algebra by providing each student with a digital algebra notebook, or what I like to call DAN. DAN is a Google slide template consisting of algebra concept headers arranged by the present curriculum being used for the current school year, and other resources assist that particular special education student for the school year. This notebook includes speech to text, embedded video support, digital manipulatives, and personalized scaffolding, making algebra not just more accessible, but more meaningful for the student. I will customize it depending on each student's needs based on their individual education plan or IEP. Each student can personalize their notebook by inserting mathematical media for upcoming algebraic concepts. Many benefits exist for DAN, but I will only mention a few here. Accessibility brings forth increased access to various resources that help retention of information, along with the fact that their notebook is anywhere on any device. Collaboration arises because it is shareable with classmates, parents, and other teachers, including the co-teacher who can present it as work sample during an ARD. The continuous use of an electronic teaching tool is expected to increase student engagement and minimize mental effort through visual scaffolds and organized digital content uploaded by the student. Students using my interactive digital algebra notebook will demonstrate higher on-task behavior, active concentration, and exploration. Kay Bosca stated that if technology is effectively integrated, then it provides opportunities for students to search and find available information and apply their academic skills to real-world problems. The implementation of the Digital Algebra Notebook as an assistive learning tool enhances mathematical comprehension and engagement for special education students by leveraging adaptive technology to support diverse learning needs, promote independence in the classroom, and foster individualized academic growth. Digital notebooks, align with effective innovation trends in math education. The Digital Algebra Notebook is more than a tool. It's a catalyst for equity, engagement, and excellence. I welcome the opportunity to discuss how this initiative can be tailored to our school's goals and how it can be a foundational step toward creating a more inclusive and innovative educational environment. Let's lead the way in special education innovation by providing every student the opportunity to succeed in algebra with the support they deserve. Together, we can reimagine learning for a better tomorrow. Thank you for your time.